Good morning. So I was writing out my bank withdrawal slip and happened to notice squeaky chair. I have this thing that I made up. I think I showed this before. It's like a calendar. And on it, I wrote down, I have my income that I've got, how much cash I'll be pulling out, how much my auto payment, the automatic payment is all my bills. That's Netflix, Audible, student loans, and phone. The thing I'm recording on. And then my automatic transfers. So I noticed on here that it said 235, and I thought that I had written 135 on the budget that I showed you guys last night. So, and yes, I totally missed $100. So, let there be light. Okay. So what I ended up changing, let's see if I can do this. So I changed that number there for transfers to 235, and then I changed these numbers that are going down. So I have 634 instead of 734. So I'm going to keep the amount that's going into my emergency fund the same. But only $100 is going into my medical dental instead of $200. But that'll be okay, because next month I'll be focusing on my medical dental, and that should be 5, 6, 92 plus 20 is definitely another 100. So I should be able to transfer $700 next month. Should. Depends on, I got a raise and I did not see any raise. So I don't know if maybe August will be the first month that it's on my paycheck. I have to go and check my pay stub thingy. See what's going on. So I'm making coffee. Have you guys, yeah, I'm sure that people have seen these before. Can you see it? Yeah, there it is. It's just basic drip coffee. It's how my aunt always made her coffee. And for a little while I have a coffee making machine, but it takes up a lot of space. I don't have a lot of space, and I'm not really drinking enough coffee to make that much coffee every day. So I'm pouring it into a mason jar. Yep. That's pretty much how you make coffee. Boil some water and slowly pour it over the grounds. Ooh. I didn't put any eggs in my stuff last night. Alright. So for breakfast, I've been eating boiled eggs. I boil the eggs and put them in this half-dozen carton because that's what I do. Oh, you guys have fallen. The world is upright again. Okay. So, how's everybody doing? Back up to 52 subscribers again, for whatever that means. I don't know what kind of content everybody would like to see. I'm just kind of putting my life stuff on there because, I don't know who it might help. Adults get ADD too. And So this is there is something. This is just olive juice with some garlic chunks in it. Oops. Splashed a little. But yeah, so I just kind of share my life stuff. I don't know if maybe me taking care of my mental health stuff will help somebody else have the courage, or maybe give them enough knowledge to know that, you know, I was diagnosed with depression, but then I had other people say, you're not depressed. Whatever it is that's going on, it's not depression. So, and then coming into the information that I have ADD, and that that can cause people to have secondary issues, self-esteem issues, depression issues. Yeah. So it kind of makes a lot of sense. It totally does make a lot of sense. I was having problems with being overwhelmed by life, and that things are just harder than they need to be. And that was when I decided that I probably have depression. And so I went and checked, and they're like, yeah, it sounds like symptoms of depression. So I got diagnosed with depression. And then I was like, you know, I think I might have ADD. Oh, alarm's going off. Snooze. And that was with the VA medical. And I was just getting started on getting screened for ADD when the lady that I was seeing moved somewhere else. I don't remember. I think she retired. And 2 years later, I still couldn't get an appointment with anybody new. So I just kind of got left behind. So I'm really glad that my insurance has a really great health provider. My work insurance. So kind of lucky. And that my co-pays are totally reasonable. Time to refill the pepper shaker. Shake, shake, shake. Just heard a weird sound. Yeah, so I'm really lucky that I ended up with a really great insurance option. Oh, man. It's a good thing I'm doing this over the kitchen sink. Oh. That should be sufficient. Because I'm getting all this stuff taken care of. I'm getting my ADD taken care of. I got cleared for some, I don't know, what else did I use it for? I don't remember. Mostly just for this ADD stuff has been pretty amazing. That might be a little too much seasoning. Oh well. Okay, coffee. Are you done yet? Will be now. So yeah, I don't know. Still kind of sharing budget stuff, I guess. Sharing life stuff, just because I don't know who it will help and who it might not help. But if it helps somebody, yay! If it doesn't help people, oh well. So yeah, I guess that's kind of like a thing. If there's content that you like, you prefer, you don't like, let me know and I'll make sure that I can focus on that sometimes. Yeah. Boom. Oh, I'm at a 2-hand point. I need to move the coffee. But it's still dripping. So I need 2 hands. Alright. Have a great day, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Hump day. For the people sending their kids back to school, yay, you almost have your days back. For the teachers, new group of kids to learn? I don't know. And don't forget to thank your custodians for working so hard all summer so that you can have a pretty classroom. All right. Good day, everybody.